Definitely. I see Patricia, you have your hand up.
Yes. Hi, everybody. So, Jeff, I had a question for, I've had this come up recently where someone didn't have enough credit. So, we're talking about a younger millennial buyer. And if they don't have enough established credit, is that something that you can help them with as well to help raise their FICO score by improving their credit, by establishing more credit?
With On Track, that's part of the service. What we do when they first come on board, whatever the credit profile is, we don't have them run out and just pay off a bunch of bills. We don't even know if they owe anything. For instance, let's say they don't have, there's a certain amount of credit that's important in every credit profile. Our processing department will determine how many positive items they need going forward. We work with 6 or 7 different credit card companies. These are Visas and MasterCards only. Very small, $200 and $300 limits, but they're excellent for your credit. Visas and MasterCards are the strongest things to have within your credit profile. The reason why I bring those up and that they're so small is here's another place where the dollar amount is irrelevant. It doesn't matter how, if you have a $10,000 limit, you're not getting a better benefit than someone with a $300 limit. It's about the item and how it's in your report. We do that also because we don't need them breaking the bank. We don't need a consumer getting 3 $10,000 credit cards. We're trying to help them get to a place where their debt to income ratio with their lender can help them in the areas that they're looking to buy a home. But yes, we help them establish it. We send them the information. If they have enough positive credit, we will not suggest any new credit. If they need 1 item or 2, 3 would be the most. But the company will determine that. They'll send them out the links to be able to apply for their own credit. And this will help them dramatically. But it has to be done at the right time. That's why a lot of people who go out and apply for credit don't get the credit because they're not doing it properly, or they're following things they get in the mailbox. And before you know it, they have a lot of inquiries that are now hurting them in the future to get good, strong credit.
Right. Yeah. And I think the one message I would tell anybody who's thinking of buying a house this year, not this week, but this year or next year, is start the process now. Find out what's going to cost you monthly, what's going to cost you as an initial investment, and then check your credit. And do you qualify now? And if not, what do you need to do to qualify? Or if you do qualify now, you can use the time while you're saving more money or getting more comfortable to get your credit work done. And it's a quick calculation how much you can save monthly versus the investment. And for most people, it's going to be worth it if you have the time to do it.